What's up? What's up? Who's live? Who's live? Who's live? Who's live? Who is live? I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Remember the special surprise. So at the end of this video, we'll have a special surprise for anybody that is live. So you get free access to it. Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. So I can be asking me why am I wearing this hat? No reason. I just want to wear it. No reason. I just want to wear it. Uh-huh. So trading. Everybody wants to learn trading. Everybody wants to learn trading. So let's just start off with this. Wow, my frame rate is. My eyes are so watery. I'm coming. Let me clean up this. Yeah, I have to. I have to. It will not have the. Okay, I've done that. I've done that. Aha, somebody's here. Somebody's here. Somebody's here. Chat, chat. I want some replies. I want some replies. I want some replies. Where is this thing? Where's my chat? Okay. Okay, 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 okay. So whoever is live, GG to you. But I cannot see my chat and I don't know where I can find my chat. I'm not used to YouTube live. I'm not used to any live. So let me try and find it. Okay. Right. Hmm. 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 Here? No, bro. Bro. Uh, okay. Anyhow, I can't see any chat and I do not know why. I can't see any chat and I don't know why. Let me check somewhere else. Let me check somewhere else. Let me just use this. Okay. Mama. Cold enough to chill my bones. Feels like I don't know you anymore. I don't understand why you're so cold for me with every breath. Something going on. Oh, taking out the time. I can feel it in between. Okay, okay. Found. So I'm literally watching myself comes. I cannot find chat. I cannot find chat. Seriously. Uh, can't still find chat. Okay, so wow, I'm watching myself live. Okay, so should I do that? What? No, so should it should be saying what I'm saying. Okay. Yeah. Everybody should join. Everybody should join. Two people live. That's good. That's good. Because most people are always busy and they always say that oh they watch it after because the last video got 9 views and we are 14 members. So still a few people that need to view it. And like this, all the videos and subscribe to the channel because we need to reach out to more people. We need to reach out to more people. You get what I'm trying to say? We need to reach out to more people. Now, Who left? Who left? Who left? Why are you leaving? Why are you leaving? We just got started. Sorry for my nose. Okay. So, what is the agenda for today? As you can see in the title, tools and instruments. That was number one. Tools, instruments, one and two. Then how to read a chart. Because before you can even get into trading, you need to understand the mechanics, market mechanics of trading. I need to understand what am I trading, how do I even place a trade, how do I close a trade, how do I set orders, how do I read a chart, how do I see the open, the close of a candlestick, how do I make up all those predictions that I would make. Because in trading, you have to analyze first. You can't just, it's not based on emotions that you say, oh, okay, I'm seeing green, 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 I place a buy, I'm seeing red, 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 I place a sell. No, that's not how it goes. So let me start off with, let's not go into how to place a trade yet. Let's not go into how to place a trade yet. Let's not even go into the instruments to trade. No, should I do the instrument? Let me do the instrument first. So let me share my screen. So now this is the first time I'm going to be sharing my screen on this channel. So let me do that right now. Share screen. Yeah. I'm going to share window. Okay. Share. Okay. If you can see my screen right now, if you can see my screen right now, tell me if you can see my screen. Oh, you can't even see my chat. Oh shit. Whatever. I can't see chat. I can't see chat, which is bad. So let us go here. Now, what are we doing today? Very simple. What we are doing today. We're just, so I'm getting a blank space that I can write a whole lot of things. A whole lot of things. And let me just do this here. Okay. Now, what are the instruments that we trade in the forex market? What are the pairs we trade in the futures market? What are the pairs we trade in directional markets? What are the pairs we trade in energies markets, metals, all those things? Now, let me explain everything to you. In trading, what are we doing in trading? We are either buying something or selling something, just like a business. You buy products and you buy it for a lower price, sell at a higher price. So I buy a product for $57 and I sell it for $58 and I make a $1 profit. It's about the quantity I then buy, which makes me to make more money. So if I buy one quantity, which is $57, I make $1 profit. But if I can buy 100, I make $100 profit. And if I can buy 100,000 of that, so 100,000 quantity of that specific product, I make $100,000. So that is just how it works. Simple like a business. Same thing for selling. If you sell, so now most people that are usually getting into this game, they only know what to buy. They don't know what is selling. So in the forex market, you can buy and you can also sell. So buying means that you're expecting price to go up. Selling means that you're expecting price to go down. Analogy. Up, buy, that's your prediction. So I'm saying, okay, gold is going to go to 4,700 and it's 4,300 and something right now. Okay, I would buy gold to say that it's going there. Then when gold gets to 4,700, I say, okay, gold is going to come back down to 4,500. Gold does what? It comes back down to 4,500. We sell from 4,700 and we close our profits at 4,500. So very simple. We buy and we sell in the market. Very, very simple. We buy and we sell in the market. This is going to be a long class because there's a lot of things to teach under this, and I'll make sure that I can spend the time, 30 minutes time after I said it to everybody. But I must give all the game right here. I must give all the game. Now, bless me. When you I'm coming. Okay. When okay. How would I use an analogy for this? So when you want to buy, there are various products to buy in the market. You can see a bag, you can see a shoe, you can see this, blah blah blah. Everything can give you a profit. It's about which opportunity is right at that point. What is the trend of the market at that point? So I've said it before in the last class. I said it. Quote me. Trading is a business. Check it out in the last video. But I said it. Trading is a business, and it can be likened to business because it is business. There are many things to buy in the market. There are people in construction, there are people in trading, there are people in investment, there are people in selling metals. They sell gold, they sell people that refine crude oil. There are many opportunities, many things, instruments to success. There are many opportunities in the marketplace, in the business world. It's about picking the right opportunity that will give you the best profit margin to your choice. But you could also pick the wrong opportunity, who will then make you to lose money because you might not be correct. The trend might have finished on that product. Probably it was a trending product at that point. Everybody was buying it, but now no. So you are late to the market and you get hit out. So that can also be looked at in trading. Now in trading, I would say there are four different markets: the crypto market, the forex market, the futures market, and the indices market. And you could also add the metals market. Yeah, you could also add the metals market. So five. Now let me explain each of them. The crypto market, this is the one that is well known. This is the one that every single body knows first, and that is the crypto market. Now the crypto market all started in 2009 by an unknown guy named Satoshi Nakamoto. All this is in my head. I'm not reading it from anywhere. So that is, you need to suck in all this knowledge and keep it, retain this knowledge. And how do you retain the knowledge? By constantly using it every day. So a guy named Satoshi Nakamoto, who is still unknown till this day. Was that an alias? We do not know. But all we know that there was a guy named Satoshi Nakamoto, or an alias, that created the first cryptocurrency called Bitcoin in 2009. We all know that Bitcoin right now, if we check the price of Bitcoin, we could check the price of Bitcoin right now. The price of Bitcoin is I hope you can see my screen. Oh, the price of Bitcoin right now is $90,000. 90 racks, man. 90 racks. That's a whole lot of money. In 2009, it was going for $1. And that's right now. No, 2013, it was still going for $1. It kept rising from 0.1, $0.2, $0.3 to where it is now. So that fast rise, that exponential growth just made it a something that everybody was interested in. That's why we all know the crypto market first. But there are many other what's it called, cryptocurrencies. We have the Ethereum. So now let me show you where you can check all this on your trading view. I'll teach you how to use trading view. That will be still in this class. I'll teach you, but I just need to show you all the markets. Okay. So now you can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 what's it called? 9 categories of markets here. But what I usually focus on is the ones I told you, which is futures, forex, crypto, indices, and energies, which will be still be in futures. They are a part of futures. So we could say the fifth is stocks. Now let's go to crypto and let's see all the pairs there. We see Bitcoin. Let's keep going down. Ethereum, if you can see here, is the top one. Ethereum slash US dollar. After that, you can see Solana. After that, you can see XRP, Ripple. After that, you can see another XRP. There are many derivatives. ADA, which is Cardano. There is Avalanche. There is Zcash. There are so many cryptos. But what we call anything that is not Bitcoin is called an altcoin. So meme coins, there are altcoins, and there is Bitcoin, anything that has coin in it, all that's why they're called altcoins. We have Ethereum, we have Dogecoin. No, Dogecoin is a meme coin. Was a meme coin, but now it's probably an actual coin. We have Shiba Inu. That's Shiba Inu is a type of dog, as we know, but that has turned to a meme coin too. We have Cardano, Avalanche. There are a plethora. You can even release your own crypto to the meme coin, not crypto, meme coin today. But we're not into that game. We're not into that game of quick cash. We're not into that game of quick cash. I've never tried it, so I don't even know how it is. And I do not want to try it yet because I feel it's gambling, pure gambling. Because you're just wishing that somebody will buy it. And there are trading robots that will actually sell it and make money off it. That's how some people make money in the meme coin business. But that's talk for another day. So now we're focusing on the crypto market. The crypto market contains Bitcoin, the pioneer of crypto. Is the future. The best time to buy crypto is now. In any form or way you can buy it. Not with all your life savings. So me personally, I'm investing money into Bitcoin on yearly gains. I'm going to buy Bitcoin this year again when I see a nice opportunity on Bitcoin and Ethereum. So Bitcoin and ETH are the two top what's it called cryptos, and nothing else comes close. Then after that we have USDT. USDT is the same as US dollar, if you get me. USDT is the same as US dollar, just that they made a coin for a crypto for it, so that people can also kind of use the US dollar in crypto form. And there's USDT, USDC. USDT is Tether, and USDC is the proper coin. That's something for another day. Now we go to the next market, and the next market is, let's do the forex market. Now the forex market. Now, okay, let me remove this. Now the forex market. What is the forex market? It is the exchange of a currency for another currency. Let me. So the forex market. In the forex market, we have the opportunity to buy and to sell as we know in any other market. So let me give you the background on how the forex market actually came up and why you always see two pairs instead of just GBP, British pound only, and you can buy the British pound or sell the British pound. On a graph, on a linear graph, there are some technicals to play into this, but on a linear graph, we all know graphs. There are two variables, the x and the y axis. So bringing this into play, if the GBP, the British pound cannot go above £1, if you understand. Like you can't have 1.2 pounds for a pound. Like that would not make sense. It has to be 1.2, £1. And £1 remains £1. But £1 relative to something else, like the dollar, that's the exchange rate. So the exchange rate for the dollar to the naira, I've not checked since yesterday, but as of yesterday, it was $1,480. 480 naira, 1,480 naira. If a currency pair like the Nigerian US dollar against Nigerian dollar were not put together, we could only you cannot even buy or sell it because it has a constant price at $1. The naira has a constant price at 1 naira. You can't buy above it or sell above it because it will still remain the $1. The only thing we could do is then pair it with something else and say the price of this one relative to this one will then give a figure, and that figure fluctuates from because of the volatility of each one of it. So if the Nigerian naira is going up, the US dollar is going down, and if the US dollar is going up, Nigerian naira is coming down. Let me explain this properly. So you can see that there are a plethora of forex market: GBP USD, Euro USD, USD JPY, AUD USD, USD CAD, USD CHF, NZD USD, Euro JPY, AUD USD, blah 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 blah. Now let me give you the lay down on how all this came about. So let's go to my text. I hope everybody can see this. I hope you can all see this. So, okay, we're going to choose now. There are many currency pairs, and let me just state all the currency pairs. Now, what I want to state are the major currency pairs. We have the USD, the US dollar. Enter. We have the GBP, the Great British Pound. Enter. We have the Euro. Sorry, yeah, EUR, which is the euros, which is used in France, Germany, um, Belgium, most European countries. We also have the JPY, which is Japanese yen. We have CHF, which is the Swiss franc, what is it in Switzerland. We have AUD, which is the Australian dollar. We have NZD, which is the New Zealand dollar. We have CAD, which is the Canadian dollar. Let me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think that is it. So that is it. Those are the major currency pairs. So I need all of you. Let me bolden this. Dun, 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 dun. My generator. Dun, 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 dun. So the US dollar, the United States dollar, GBP, Great British Pound, Euro USD, the euro is euro, JPY Japanese yen, CHF Swiss franc, AUD USD, Australian dollar, NZD USD, New Zealand dollar, and CAD is Canadian dollar. Those are the 8 major pairs. Then after that, we have what are called the other pairs. There's a particular name for it. I think they are called minor pairs. Yes, they are called minor pairs. And these are those pairs. So we have ZAR, which is South African Rand. We have NGN, which is Nigerian Naira. We have MXN, which is the Mexican peso. I think so. Yes, 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 yes. We have the SGD, which is the Singaporean dollar. We have I think that is it. That is this is not it. There's a lot. KWD Korean, no Kuwait dinar. There's KRW, which is Korean won. Many delete, but those are not necessary. We do not trade those pairs. Why do we not trade those pairs? Because they are rarely traded. There's no volatility in the market, so you cannot replicate your results day in, day out, week in, week out on those pairs. So those are not nothing to look for. So now we focus on anything that has these pairs, and they must be paired to each other. So if there are 8 pairs and you compare them to each other, it will give you 40 pairs. 40 freaking pairs. So you have 40 pairs you can choose from to trade. So if you decide to trade off 40, problem, man. But we don't do that. Okay. Wait. Okay. Okay. Almost time is already going and there's a lot to say. I think I'm just going to touch on this topic. Then tomorrow we'll do reading the chart and how to place a trade. Okay. So remember at the end of this special surprise for that one person that is live. So cheers to you for being live. Cheers to you. We love you. We love you. Picasso. Okay, so let's continue. So what are the pairs you can derive from this? Now there's a particular format to getting these pairs together. There's nothing called USD GBP, GBP USD. So we'll start off with the Ogbon. GBP USD, Euro USD, GBP JPY, USD JPY, Euro JPY, CHF JPY, AUD JPY, NZD JPY, CAD JPY, Euro GBP, GBP, GBP JPY has been done, Euro, GBP CHF, GBP AUD, GBP NZD, GBP CAD. We have Euro CHF, Euro AUD, Euro NZD, Euro CAD. Made a mistake here. Then we have Omo. There's a lot of freaking pairs. Then we have AUD NZD and NZD has been done. NZD card. Then AUD card. NZD card. No, NZD card has been done. Card CHF has it been done? Card CHF. So many pairs. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me just use this. Let me use this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So there are still 17 more to go. This is just mad. You could take notes if you want. But you could just come back to it anytime. So your choice. So let me just show you all the pairs. I'm just start with USD. So to give us all USD pairs by FXCM. I use FXCM. Okay. See USD JPY, USD CAD, USD CHF. All these are you can see all these are minor pairs. Then you see okay. So the only ones that have USD at the start is USD JPY, USD CAD, USD CHF. That is it. But if I then go to Euro, you would see that it will change. There are many others: Euro USD, Euro JPY, Euro GBP, Euro ED, Euro CAD, Euro NZD, EC, and the rest. If I go to GBP, you would see GPS, GPA, GA, GA, GC, GN, GC again. Then if I go to CAD, you see CAD CHF and CAD JPY. If I go to NZD, you see NZD USD, NZD JPY, NZD CAD, NZD CHF. If I go to AUD, you would see AUS JPY, CAD, CHF, NZD, and that Chinese yuan is not what we trade. Then, whew, if we go to USD, no, USD is not it. What's the last one? What's the last pair? CHF. CHF GPY is the only pair that has CHF at the start. CHF is always at the end for every page. CBP, CHF, NZD, CHF, AUD, CHF, blah 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 blah. Now JPY, no JPY at the start. There's no JPY at the start. I don't know why JPY. Nobody likes JPY, but it's the fourth most traded. So now let me tell you the so this I okay wait let me oh, shit. So this is actually the proper arrangement of their importance. So USD is the most volatile pair. Is the most volatile currency pair, currency market. Euro is the next, GBP is the next, GBY is the next, CHF is the next, AUD is the next, NZD then CAD. That is exact um volatility of the market. So if you choose USD pairs, you are choosing the most volatile pairs. Euro pairs, the most volatile, the second most volatile pair. GBP pairs, third most volatile. JPY, fourth most volatile, and it goes on like that. So those are the pairs we trade. Now, this is the most important part. That was just all the introduction. That was just the introduction. Now, the most important part is like 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Sorry for taking all your time, but let me go into that. Okay, two people right now. Two people right now. Okay, okay, okay. Let me go. Let's go into that. So, um, what what I trade just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15 pairs. And I only trade, if you can see, there's a heading here that says trading pairs because I only trade. So in these two categories, so these are the pairs that I will actually trade. These are investment pairs, the last three down, which is Bitcoin, Nasdaq, and S&P 500. So I only trade in the real sense 9 pairs. I trade just 9 pairs. I only trade 9 pairs. I only place trades on 9 pairs. So now let me tell you the rationale behind that. The rationale behind me trading the pairs that I trade is because I've tested my system and what works for me. And I've noticed that it's only the most volatile of the volatile, the strongest beast in the market, the fast markets, the markets that move like crazy, that you just see mad jump. Like you might look at this jump here, right here. Look at this jump right here. This is just messed up things that happen in the market every single week. Market move from here from price of 155, 156 all the way to 157 in like how many days? In the span of 6 hours. Like that is mental. That is mental. So those are the kind of pairs I like to trade because number one, it gives me a better trading experience. Number one. Number two, I've back tested my system. I've noticed that faster moving market enhance my trading. And that's just it. Now, let me go on to the last market that I trade. So I've talked about crypto market, I've talked about the forex market. Now let's talk about the futures market. In the futures market, I only look at a few things. So in futures market, I divide into metals and non-metals. So the metals are silver, gold, and platinum, and copper and aluminium. Yes, but the three most traded are platinum, gold, silver. Now the non-metal pairs are energies. So we have natural gas, number one, that is XNG USD. We have oil, for sure, not groundnut oil, like crude oil. Crude oil is called US oil. I don't know why they call it US oil. There's US oil and UK oil. All these things we'll talk about. Wait, let me just see. Let me see energies. Wait. Oh shit. Shit. G. Okay. Wait. So you can see we have so energies divided into the only one I trade is US oil, and that's why US oil you saw it there. US oil. So we take US oil out of because it's the most volatile. Then out of the um investment futures, we have Nasdaq and the S&P 500. They are literally pairs that they move together. So whatever this one does, the second one will do is like almost like the same exact chart, but with different price point because NQ right now is at 25,000 something. ES is about 6,700 and something. So they're just at different prices, but they still have the same movement. If this one goes up in the same pattern, the other one will go up too. Then, so that is just it in a nutshell. You can see copper futures, blah 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 blah. Then going on to indices, that is where I pick the DXY, the S&P 500, S&P 500, US 500, the in oh shit. There's a lot of things to explain this thing. Let's start off with this. In futures, divided into three, we have the investment futures, metal futures, energy futures. Energy futures, we have natural gas, we have oil. Metals, we have silver, platinum, gold. Those are the ones I look at. Investment futures, you have the DXY dollar index, NS, NQ, Nasdaq, and ES, which is S&P 500. So you need to familiarize yourselves. So assignment. Sorry, I know I sound like a teacher, but assignment right now. Go to Google, go to YouTube, and search on anything you can find on instruments, pairs, all the pairs in the market, and just learn about their history, their origin, so that you just know a little background on it. We might not really need it in trading, exact trading, but it's good to have a knowledge of it so that you can talk about it anyway. Because you cannot just also know the practical, you need to know the theory too. Coming back to our lesson, now for the last one we have indices. So now indices, there are many indices in the market. We have the DJI, sorry. Let me okay. So you can see there is DXY blah 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 volatility S&P 5. There are so many. You can see DJI, you can see the DAX, you can see the Gemini. So blah blah blah. There are many. But in a nutshell, I just need to tell you about the ones I'm trading. The ones I'm trading is the NAS 100, the US 500, and DXY. DXY, I don't trade it. I just want to analyze it to know where the dollar is headed. That is just it. So now the Nasdaq, which was in the futures, and the NAS 100, which are in the indices, are the same. Just that one is an index, is part of the indices, and one is a future. Why? Because I do not really know. I do not really know why they did that. That they just created NQ and NAS 100. Same names, different names, but literally the same movement, exact same price point. So GG's to them, whoever made it. And same thing for S&P 500. ES is the same thing as US 500. That's just it. That's it. So now that you know what I trade, everything I trade, bless me. Okay. 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 So now that you know everything I trade, that is just it for this lesson. So what have we learned from this lesson? What do I trade? I trade volatile pairs and only volatile pairs. So the most volatile pairs in currency pairs in the forex market is what? The US dollar. And we're only trading the best of the best. So top four, I'm just choosing the top four currencies is the US, EUR, GBP, GPY. Now, the different combinations you can make with all those pairs to have the USD is Euro USD, GBP USD, and GBP USD JPY, because you cannot do USD USD. So only three pairs, only three combinations be there. That's just it. For the futures, the NAS 100 and the S&P are the fastest, the speediest, followed by gold and silver, followed by US oil and platinum, and that's what I put on my screen. So you should learn all the abbreviations for all this. NAS 100, S&P 500, XAUSD, XAU, in chemistry is gold, AG is silver, that's chemical name, US oil, XPT, PT is platinum. That's just it. BTC USD, that's Bitcoin with the dollar, NQ, UES, that's just it. DXY. Oh, shit, what I just do? Oh my god. Oh my god. Future pairs. I think I just deleted something. Did I just delete something? Or am I tripping? Oh my god, I think I deleted. Oh shit. Create ad section. Okay. Spell. That's it. Yeah, okay. Oh, sure. Yeah, so that's it. So DXY, now let me tell you how I categorize all of them. So the only directional pair I have is the DXY. I just use it to know where the US dollar is headed to. So if the US dollar is headed right now, is headed in the upside, I know you will not understand the chart and everything, but right now it broke out of this trend line right here and it's headed to the upside. So I say, okay, this thing is pushing up. Oh, wait, I'm in the trade right now. Let me check my trade. I don't even check the trade, man. Man, what's going on, man? Oh my god. It didn't hit me for the trade. Oh my god. It didn't come back to hit me. Look at how much it's moving. Oh my god. Whatever. Just continue to what I'm saying. But that's painful. I hope it just pulls back at the last moment, hit me in, takes out all those traders, then still moves to the upside. That would be the best thing that could ever happen. Best thing that could ever happen, man. If I bought here, like my risk to reward would have been, oh god, damn it, man, damn it. Now I have to look for a trade next week. So whatever. DXY is my directional page. It tells me where I'm going. Then all these I trade them. So that's it. That's it for today. That is the class for today. We took 10 more minutes of time. And now for the gift. Now for the gift. Okay, wait, I'm coming. My from data to Wi-Fi. Ooh, ooh. Okay, can you? I hope you can still see reach me. Oh, I just spent 700 MB right now, 0.7 gig, but it's really nothing. Okay, so I hope. Wait. Okay, so Wi-Fi is back in. Wi-Fi is back in. Wi-Fi is back. I hope it's good. I hope it's good. So now it's time, the time of reckoning, the time of reckoning. So I hope everything you have learned, you can put it in practice. So tomorrow, what we'll do is I would learn how to use TradingView, how to analyze a chart, how to use MetaTrader 5, how to open your brokerage account and create a demo account. All of that is tomorrow. So get prepared. It's going to be a nice class. Just like today, we had a lot of things to lay down, and there's still so much more to learn. So I'll leave a link in the WhatsApp group to all the everything you would need to study. It's not much, like 5 minutes. So just look at it and everything. So that's just it. Now, for the one person that is viewing right now, for one person that is viewing right now, get this. I'm going to call a number. You will call my number and we will talk for 9 minutes till 8 o'clock. Is something that will really help you, and I'm giving give you something that's really helpful for tuning in, because you tuned in. That's great. So I'm going to type it 080. Let me increase the font to, so now call me right now. 0902299 You have 8 more minutes on the call. You are wasting your own time. You're wasting your own time. I'm waiting. 090-2299-2926. Don't miss out. Don't miss out. Don't miss out. Don't miss out. Call the number right now. Call the number right now. 090-2299-2926. You can ask me any question you want, and I'll also give you something. Something. But only on the call. But only on the call. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. What? No viewers? What happened? Six minutes, 6 more minutes, 6 more minutes, 6 more minutes. Call the number you see right now. Call the number you see right now. There's a present, there's a present. Call the number you're seeing right now. Let me bold it. I'm waiting. Five more minutes, 5 more minutes, 5 more minutes. Call the number you see right now. Okay, let me just tell you. There's a gift. A mad gift. A mad gift. Who is the fastest? Who is the fastest? There are two people right now. Who will click first? Ah, I'm waiting. I'm waiting in it. I'm waiting, man. I'm waiting. Phone's right here. Phone's right here. I'm waiting. Okay, who's calling? Let me put you on speaker. Hello.
Um, so I've been in class. Something was wrong with my phone,
Okay.
so I couldn't call it.
Okay.
This is my mom's phone.
Okay. Okay. No problem. No problem. So, what's your name? How old are you?
Mohammed.
Mohammed. How old are you?
Yes.
How old are you?
Actually, 6.
Okay. So, so we met on Snapchat. Your name was Abdul there, right?
No, my friend actually introduced me.
Okay. So, well done for actually listening to him. Is he here? Is he on?
No, she's a girl. She's on the group too, but I don't know why she's not in class.
Okay. Stephanie?
No. Precious.
Precious. Okay, okay, okay. No problem. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. So let me not state the price first. What have you learned from this class? What have you learned from this class?
I learned about forex and the types of markets and the
Mm-hmm.
combinations.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So just a quick question. If you get this question right, I have something for you. So right now, I give you 5 seconds. What is the most traded pair? One, two,
The most
three,
USD.
four. The most traded pair. not the
PA.
yes, pair, not the market. One, two,
Oh,
three,
I'm
four.
USDJPY.
No. Euro USD. Euro is the second most traded. USD is the first most traded. Yes, so it will be Euro USD because the first and the second. Okay, let me give another chance. Let me give you another chance.
Okay.
What's another name for S&P 500? One, two.
Huh?
What's
Come
another
again.
name for S&P 500? One, two.
XMP.
For S&P 500, what is another name for it? One, two, three, four.
Nah, I didn't get that. Sorry.
The indices. Well, remember we talked about futures and we said
Yes,
that
yes, yes.
ES is also the same as S&P 500 and NQ is the same as NAS 100.
Mm-hmm.
So that means ES is also the same as S&P 500. But no problem. I'm still going to give you the gift because I've already promised it. So remember the trade I was looking at, I was saying, oh shit, I lost this trade. Not I
Yeah.
lost the trade, not like I missed the trade. I missed out on the trade.
Yeah.
If this trade comes back and hits me in and I make a mad profit, if it comes back and hits me in and I make a
Yeah.
mad profit,
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to give you 10% of whatever I make on that trade. So
Okay.
on my $5,000 account, not on my other account. So on my
Okay.
$5,000 account, let me share my screen and wait. Okay, wait.
Actually, my life is not really fast.
Your what?
Okay, okay, it's okay now. You can share it screen.
Wait, I can't share screen here. But wait, let me just. I think let me save this number as Lawal, right?
Yes,
Mohammed,
Mohammed,
Lawal
yes.
Mohammed. I'll save this number and I'll send you the account
No,
I'm
no, let
good.
me give you this other number.
Okay. Call the number.
Oh, it's actually on WhatsApp.
Call the number.
070
070
770
770
891
891
07.
07. Sharp. So I would send you the account that I'm going to place the trade on. I'm risking
Yeah.
$30 on this trade to make
Yes.
about $68. That's around let me check the conversion rate. That should be about wait, let me just check. $88 now. 88 $88. Wait, okay. So that is around 132,000 naira.
Yeah.
So you get free 13,000 naira just for participating. So well done to you. Cheers to you. Cheers to you. The second person
Yes.
actually called, but she has missed out. The person has missed out on the opportunity. So well done. So good luck.
Yeah.
This program is going to run for, I don't know, 2 months, 3 months. But after that, you also join the mentorship group. That's another thing. So you join the mentorship group and we'll actually help you there. So this is just the course. But now I'm giving you 1 month free for the mentorship
Okay.
along with it. So
Okay.
yeah, that is my gift for you. So very kind guy I am. Very kind guy I am. So you get
Thank you.
13,000 13,000 if I make the trade. Everything is going to be transparent. So I'm going to send everything to you. 13,000
Okay.
naira sharps. That's one. Two, you get a free month for the mentorship group. So we might purchase another $5,000 account for a proper $5,000 account where I can actually make money from. We give you our trades. So the trades that we take here at FSH Capital, we will give you those trades too. So you can place the trade on
Okay.
the account we give you. So everything is just free. So it's just going to be a nice encounter and a journey. And you could also come visit me. We could have a talk. You could ask me your questions and everything. So, is there anything you want to ask me? Anything you want to ask me?
Yeah, I think the only problem I have is that I couldn't answer the questions, so I think I'll go through the class again.
Yeah, for sure. Because what I actually want everybody to do is not just look at it once or twice, thrice if you can. Because the classes are 30 minutes. It should be 30 minutes, but today was just it's a hell lot to actually teach. All that pairs, all those pairs is a hell lot to teach. So that's why we took a
Yes.
little bit more time. But and for this giveaway too. But everything good.
Yes.
Any
Yes,
other
sir.
thing?
No, no, sir.
Yes, sir. God bless you. God bless you.
Yes.
Happy New
Same
Year
to you.
too. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, sir.
So we're done with the call with Lawal Muhammad, and thanks for tuning in. Thanks for tuning in. This has been a wonderful session. It has been a wonderful session. So bye bye. End stream. One of his students.